Every single person that got any of these questions wrong got it wrong and did not show work. When we're distributing here, it doesn't say distribute, it says rewrite the expression. Simpler. That's the same thing without an equal sign or a less than sign. All of you did not show any work. I mean, the only work that I know to show here is h times h is h squared. Then h times 4 is 4h. 6 times 5x is 30x. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12x. Do not multiply it by that 8x, because the negative 8x is outside the parentheses. It is outside the parentheses, so you don't multiply it. You only distribute to things inside the parentheses. Think of it as a package, and basically what I have is I have 6 of these packages here. I have 6 of those. 5x's minus 2, 5x minus 2, 5x minus 2, 5x minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x minus 2. Now, I also have to have that little x's there. Oop, forgot my square. So once I have all of these, 30x minus 12, I forgot one. I have 30x is minus 12. That's just multiplication as a shorthand. Then I also have to multiply it by x. I have to multiply it by the x. So multiply it by the x, and I get 30x squared minus 12x. Okay, that's a really long explanation as to how to multiply all those together. That's not important. It's great if it helps you understand, but it's not the key idea. The key idea is that you multiply them together and then combine to make it simpler. 30x squared minus 20x. Okay, number 12. Please either use the area model or use the double distribution model. I don't care if you write the n plus 3 on top or on the bottom. N times n is n squared. N times 3 is 3n. N times 5 is 5n. And 5 times 3 is 15. You're always going to be able to combine these. We have an n squared plus 8n plus 15. Okay, now I gave you this question and none of you did it that way, but you notice that we have an x minus 2. We could have factored it out. I was hoping that someone would have at least done x plus 3 times x minus 2 and then did the area model. I'll show you how everyone did it that got it right. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is negative 2x plus 3x minus 6. Combine the Chewy centers. X squared plus x minus 6. Come on. At least keep track of what you're doing. So someone told me today, oh, do I write down m minus 6 twice? Is that what that exponent means? Yes. Don't do these in your head. Area model. M minus 6. M minus 6. M squared because it's m times m. Now we do m times negative 6, and that's minus 6m. Now here we do m times negative 6, negative 6m, and there we do negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. So our final answer is m squared minus 6m minus another 6m plus 36 a total of m squared minus 12m plus 36. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class.